to my channel. This is me, Mel, and I am very grateful that you are here again. And for those who are new here, thank you very much for stopping by. Now, like the title said, we are going to be unboxing the Lookfantastic for March 2020. And I really love this box, but sad to say, this will be my last one. I already canceled my subscription, and I've been subscribed for a year for this one. But again, this is my last one. I canceled it already, so hopefully this will be a good one. Okay, I didn't watch any unboxing for this month, and Lookfantastic is a monthly subscription of beauty and skincare, and this is $19 a month. But because I subscribed for a year, I only pay $16. So let's see what's inside. Again, this is a very beautiful box. And let's open this. Oh, I'm gonna show you the sides first. And that's how it looks like. And this is the back. I always reuse these boxes because they're so good. They're sturdy. Okay, and the inside of the box, there's this thing. They always put this in every box that they make. And this one says, in a world where you can be anything, be yourself. There you go. Very good saying. I love that. Okay, so this is the booklet, and this one tells you what's in your box and other products information that they have, like they have in their website. And yeah, that's it. And by the way, the back also is a spoiler for next month, and that's the April sneak peek. And this is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Peach Blossom Eyeshadow Palette, which retails for £28.99. Ooh, wow. So it's 4 shades, 3 shimmers and 1 matte. Okay, that's good to know, but I won't be getting anything from April. Okay, now here it is. Very nice tissue paper. And I think I'm liking this already. This is what's in the box. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. So let's do this. So the first one here is, this is from Grow Gorgeous. There you go. And this is a repair, strengthening hair and scalp mask. And this one is 30 ml for £3.75. So that's like around $5 or $6 probably. And this one is made in the UK. There. Too bright. There you go. Okay, that's our first one. Then the next one here is, this is from Madara. And this is the Time Miracle Wrinkle Resist Eye Cream. Wow, this is £35 for 15 ml. And this one is made in Latvia. How big is this? Oh, pretty good size. There you go. This is from Madara. Wow. So basically, just for this one, I already got the value of my box. And the next one here is, this is from Hair Bursts, And this is a chewable hair vitamins. There's 30 in here. And this is a 15-day supply. And this is worth 12.49 pounds. And where is this from? Oh, this is made in UK also. And take 2 capsules per day for best results. Ideally, both together in the morning before eating. Oh, so you take 2 capsules at the same time. Ideally, both together in the morning before eating. Okay. I'm gonna check on this one first before I'm gonna, put this in my body. Oh, okay. So it's like this. So there's 10 of this here, and there's 3 of this in here. Okay. I'm happy with this box. My last box, okay? I think I got this already before. I think this is a repeat. Wow. Why am I... Why did they give me this? This is not supposed to be the one in here. I should be getting the Elizabeth Arden Superstart Skin Renewal Booster. But instead of that, I got this. I already got this in the previous box. Oh well. This happened before. Like, instead of getting the bomb item, we got a different one. I think this is for the US subscribers, probably. This is what they put. That's sad. Probably this one's only $3. So, okay. It's alright. Now, the next one here is, this is from Rodile. And this is the Bee Venom Cleansing Balm. And this one is 20 ml for 13 pounds. It's a cleansing balm, and this one is made in UK also. And it's sealed, so I'm not gonna open this. So this is a cleansing balm. And yeah, basically every cleansing balm is the same. So take your facial cleansing routine to the next level with this luxurious skin brightening cleansing balm from Rodile, formulated with bee venom, an anti-aging wonder ingredient that smooths your complexion, plumps fine lines, and decongets your skin of any dirt and impurities. There you go. And the last but not the least here is, this is from Rituals, and this is the Ritual of Ayurveda Shower Oil. And this one is 75 ml for 4.90 pounds. Indian rose and sweet almond oil are at the base of this Rituals shower oil, which will leave your skin feeling soft and your mind at ease. Pour a few drops into your palm and massage all over the body in circular motions. Upon contact with water, this oil changes into a luxurious foam, leaving you feeling clean, refreshed, and smelling delicious. This is from Ritual. Ooh, smells so good. I'm gonna try this tomorrow. So that's it for my box, and again, I am very happy with everything that's in here. I wish I would have received the Elizabeth Arden product, which is the Superstart Renewal Skin Renewal Booster, but that's not what they put in my box. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, it's in here. Oh, so this must be a bonus item. Oh, good thing I really looked. Ah, but this is so tiny though. There you go, Elizabeth Arden. good thing I checked. Okay, so what is this? Designed to restore your skin's natural ability to repair and renew, this Elizabeth Arden Skin Booster is the perfect addition to your skincare routine. Its fusion of super ingredients have resulted in over 90% of women agreeing that it helped their skin look less damaged and irritated. Apply just one pump onto a freshly cleansed face before applying serum or moisturizer. And let's check. Oh, it's not sealed. And there, it's not sealed. It's clear. And it has kind of a scent on this one. Let's check what's the scent. Where the scent is from. There's nothing here. Yeah, there's a scent in this one. Okay, good thing I really looked, because if I didn't check, then I would have lost that thing. So this is my last box again, and I'm really happy that my, what do you call that, my goodbye box is a good one. And yeah, I'm very happy with everything. So let's check. I forgot to calculate how much is everything here. So everything in this month's box is 76.64 pounds plus this bonus item. I don't know if they really did put this or somebody made a mistake in putting this in the box. But I'm happy that this is in here. I know I've tried this before. I just don't remember if I liked it. But, you know, it's just a mask for the eyes. It's a good thing to have, right? So that's it for this month's box. And again, this is my last one for my Lookfantastic subscription. And please, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. And if you haven't done it yet, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell as well, so you will know if I have a new video up. And stay safe, everyone. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.